How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you are here, each and every one of you. So, you ran into this problem? Let's get to work. Oh man, I don't have time for this. The lock won't turn. Come on. Many of us have, and it's a really simple, quick, and easy fix. And all you're going to need is one tool and one tool only. And most of you already have it. And that is a can of your favorite spray oil, spray lubricant, whatever you want to call it. So let's get out to the car and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Alright, here's another video for you. Real simple, real quick. Car's all locked up, get ready to go to work, put the key in, turn it. It gets to the lock where it wants to turn and then it gets real tight. You have a sticking lock, so you have to force it, right? If you look at these keys, they're not very thick. What do you think happens? It bends over time and eventually it breaks. Yes, it unlocked it, but at what cost? So here's a simple fix. What is that simple fix, you may be asking? Well, over time this stuff gets dried out. The water gets down in there, it washes all the lubrication and stuff off of it. So you've got to re-oil it. So all you have to do is get your favorite spray oil. In this case I'm going to be using WD-40 because it's inside. It's not going to be collecting dust or anything. If I was using something outside, I would be using like a spray lubricant that has silicones in it and stuff. That way it doesn't catch the dust and stuff. But all you do is stick it in the keyhole, right? Point it up, quick spray, down, quick spray, and try to keep the little spray nozzle in there. Just give it a couple good quick squirts like so, until you see it starting to come out. When it starts to come out, remove it, wipe off the excess, and I got fingerprints all over my door. And then you're going to want to spray right here also. Let me get you turned so you can see it. You're going to want to spray all this stuff in here too. And then you just work it a couple times. Right? There's that. Get my keys. Whatever I did with them. There they are. Now you can actually hear it working. And see how easily that's turning? Wipe it off your key because you don't want it in your pocket. And just for fun, get one more final spritz. That way you know that it's done. Wipe off the excess. Stick the key back in. And then go around and do the other side. This one isn't as bad. You can already turn it pretty freely, but since you've already done the other side, why not do this side too, right? So stick the little nozzle in, wipe off the excess, open it up, again, spray this. Uh-oh. Mess. Set it. Work it a couple times. Come back with a damp cloth rag because WD-40 is a water dissipator also. It's one of the great things. It will get rid of that and will actually get rid of the water spots as well. For now, just stick your key in like before. They're working really good, really easy. All locked up. That's simple, guys and gals. I promise you it is that simple. The lock works like brand new now. I mean, it's just like I said, it gets dried out over time. Moisture, dirt, being used, all that stuff, parts wear. You know, it rubs off all the oil. I mean, think about it. That's a 1993 lock, 26 years old lock. And all it took was a little bit of oil to fix it. Which, to most of today's problems, that's all it takes is to fix it. A little bit of lubrication. Take that as far as you want to. But with that said, I'm going to put this back up. I'm going to go in and get me something to eat for lunch, and then I got to wash another car. Imagine that. But until next time, thank you all so very much. We'll see you in the next one.